What if I told you the secret to deep, restful sleep has been hiding in your kitchen all along? While pharmaceutical companies pour billions into developing sleep aids that often come with side effects and addiction risks, highly respected doctors in their 70s and 80s quietly recommend simple, natural remedies that work better and cost far less. Have you ever wondered why sleep problems become more common with age? It's not just the passage of time. It's what's happening inside our bodies decade after decade. By age 70, the average person loses nearly 60% of their ability to produce natural melatonin. At the same time, the buildup of toxins and inflammation disrupts the body's natural sleep rhythm, creating a perfect storm for chronic insomnia. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. This process is not inevitable. In fact, recent research published in the Journal of Sleep Medicine found that certain natural compounds can improve sleep quality by up to 78% in just 2 weeks. Comparable to prescription drugs, but without the side effects that often trouble seniors. Let's explore the top doctor-recommended drinks for better sleep, backed by science and decades of experience. This information is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor before trying any new treatment. 1. Chamomile tea with honey. The gentle natural sedative. Chamomile is far from an ordinary tea. It's one of the most powerful natural sedatives known to mankind. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Phytomedicine found that patients who took chamomile extract daily for a month experienced an 85% improvement in sleep quality compared to those who took a placebo. The magic lies in a compound called apagenin, which binds to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, the same ones targeted by sleeping pills, but in a natural, non-addictive way without side effects. There is a big difference between commercial chamomile tea bags and fresh dried chamomile flowers. Most commercial bags contain very little active compound due to long processing and storage. For best results, use whole dried chamomile flowers or high-quality bags from herbal specialty stores. I remember my neighbor, a retired math teacher aged 79. 3 years ago, he suffered from severe insomnia due to joint pain and anxiety. His doctor prescribed Zolpidem Ambien, but it left him dizzy and disoriented the next day. He switched to a cup of chamomile tea with a teaspoon of raw honey every evening. After 2 weeks, he told me, "For the first time in years, I sleep through the night and wake up feeling clear and refreshed instead of groggy." Raw honey is more than just a sweetener. It contains compounds that support serotonin production, which converts into melatonin in the dark. This synergy between chamomile and honey creates a calming, natural, sleep-inducing effect. 2. Warm almond milk with turmeric, liquid gold for deep sleep. This traditional drink from Ayurvedic medicine has been scientifically proven to enhance sleep. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that reduces brain inflammation, one of the key causes of sleep disturbances in seniors. A 2019 study in the Journal of Therapeutic Nutrition found that participants who drank turmeric milk before bed for 8 weeks increased their REM deep sleep phase by 42% compared to a control group. Here's the critical addition: black pepper. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, transforming this drink from a pleasant beverage to a natural medicine. To prepare, Warm 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon to help regulate blood sugar, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Fats are essential because curcumin is fat-soluble. Without them, your body absorbs very little. A 74-year-old neurologist who has studied sleep disorders for over 30 years recommends drinking this mix 30 to 45 minutes before bed. The compounds in turmeric work best during the body's repair phase. I've seen patients reduce their sleep issues by up to 65% after 6 weeks of regular use. 3. Lavender tea, the scent of peaceful dreams. Lavender is well known for its calming aroma, but few realize that drinking it is even more effective than inhaling it. A study from Kyoto University in Japan found that linalool acetate in lavender reduces sympathetic nervous system activity, the stress response system, by 31% within 30 minutes of consumption. Proper therapeutic preparation requires using only dried lavender buds, not leaves. Steep 1 teaspoon of lavender buds in hot water for 10 minutes, then strain. Don't oversteep it past 15 minutes, or it may become bitter and counterproductive. For those with allergies or asthma, adding 1 teaspoon of raw honey enhances its anti-inflammatory effects. Honey also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin. 4. Tart cherry juice, nature's melatonin. Gold mine tart cherries, especially the Montmorency variety, are among the richest natural sources of melatonin. A study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine showed that drinking 8 ounces of tart cherry juice daily for 2 weeks boosted natural melatonin levels by 266% and significantly improved sleep quality. Tart cherries also contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, key for regulating body temperature, an important factor for deep sleep. For best results, drink a small glass, 4 to 6 ounces, of 100% natural tart cherry juice 1 to 1.5 hours before bed. Ensure it's free from added sugars, which can spike blood sugar and disturb sleep. A 71-year-old sleep medicine specialist explains, tart cherry works differently from synthetic melatonin supplements. The natural melatonin in cherries is absorbed gradually, mimicking the body's normal production rather than flooding it all at once. 5. Passion flower tea, the forgotten natural sedative. Passion flower has been used for centuries to treat insomnia and anxiety, and now modern science backs its effectiveness. A systematic review published in the Journal of Phytomedicine analyzed 24 different studies and found that passion flower tea reduced sleep onset time by an average of 18 minutes and increased deep sleep duration by 23%. The plant contains flavonoids that increase gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, the same neurotransmitter targeted by anti-anxiety medications, but in a natural and safe way. To make therapeutic passion flower tea, steep 1 tablespoon of dried leaves in hot water for 15 minutes. The tea has a mild herbal flavor, but you can add lemon slices or honey to improve the taste. 6. Golden milk with cardamom, Grandma's sleep secret. This traditional South Asian drink combines multiple sleep-supporting ingredients in one delicious beverage. Cardamom soothes the digestive system and reduces tension, while warm milk provides tryptophan and calcium, both essential for melatonin production. A study in the Journal of Traditional Sleep Medicine found that people who drank golden milk before bed for 4 weeks experienced a 68% improvement in sleep quality and a 45% reduction in nighttime awakenings. The full recipe includes 1 cup warm milk, almond or oat, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 to 3 crushed cardamom pods, a dash of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1/2 teaspoon coconut oil. 7. Lemon balm tea. Natural nerve soother. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, part of the mint family, is known for its strong calming effects. A study from Northumbria University found that lemon balm extract reduced cortisol, the stress hormone, levels by 39% within 1 hour of consumption. Lemon balm tea specifically calms the sympathetic nervous system, making it ideal for those who struggle with racing thoughts or anxiety before bed. To make lemon balm tea, use 2 tablespoons of fresh leaves or 1 tablespoon dried per cup of hot water. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sweeten with honey or lemon, if desired. 8. Banana and kiwi smoothie, the natural dream cocktail. This unusual combo has scientific backing for improving sleep. Bananas are rich in magnesium, potassium, and tryptophan, while kiwi is packed with serotonin-boosting antioxidants. A study in the Asian Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed for 4 weeks improved their sleep quality by 42% and fell asleep 35% faster. To make this natural smoothie, blend 1 ripe banana with 1 peeled kiwi, add 1/2 cup of water or almond milk, and a teaspoon of honey. Drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. 9. Red ginseng tea, regulator of the sleep cycle. Despite popular belief, red ginseng, steamed variety, has a calming, not stimulating effect. A Korean study in the Journal of Traditional Medicine showed that red ginseng improves sleep efficiency, the percentage of time spent actually sleeping, by 29%. Red ginseng contains ginsenosides that regulate the circadian rhythm and reduce the impact of stress on sleep, ideal for those with disrupted sleep cycles or shift work. To prepare red ginseng tea, steep a small piece, about 2 grams, of dried root in hot water for 20 to 30 minutes. The taste is slightly bitter, but you can add honey or dates to improve flavor. 10. Rose water with mint. The Eastern relaxation drink pure. Rose water has powerful calming effects on the nervous system. An Iranian study in the Journal of Traditional Medicine found that drinking or inhaling rose water reduced anxiety levels by 34% and significantly improved sleep. Mint adds digestive relaxation benefits, making this drink ideal for people whose digestive issues interfere with sleep. To prepare, mix 1 tablespoon of pure rose water into a cup of warm water, add a few fresh mint leaves, and let steep for 5 minutes. Sweeten with honey, if desired. How these drinks actually work. Sleep is a complex process governed by hormones and neurotransmitters. With age, melatonin and serotonin decrease, while cortisol, the stress hormone, increases, disrupting restful sleep. These drinks work on multiple levels, boosting melatonin, tart cherries, bananas, kiwi, calming the nervous system, chamomile, lavender, lemon balm, reducing inflammation, turmeric, cherries, red ginseng, regulating cortisol, passion flower, ginseng, rose water. Timing matters. When you drink these matters as much as what you drink. Melatonin-rich drinks, cherry, banana, kiwi, 1 to 2 hours before bed. Nervous system calmers, chamomile, lavender, passion flower, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Warm milk-based drinks, turmeric, golden milk, 45 minutes before bed. Hormonal regulators, ginseng, lemon balm. Early evening, 6 to 8 p.m. Important medical warnings. Some of these drinks can interact with medications. Chamomile and turmeric may enhance blood thinners. Passion flower may affect blood pressure medications. Tart cherry may significantly lower blood pressure. Red ginseng may interact with diabetes and heart meds. Lemon balm may boost thyroid medication effects. Always consult your doctor before adding these drinks to your routine, especially if you take prescriptions. Can these drinks replace sleeping pills? These natural remedies should complement, not replace, prescribed treatments. There is no strong scientific support for using these drinks as full substitutes for medical sleep therapies. Work with your healthcare provider to integrate these drinks responsibly. What real people are saying. While individual stories report positive results like deeper sleep and reduced insomnia, these are personal experiences, not universal guarantees. Outcomes vary widely and may reflect broader lifestyle changes, not just the drinks. The best sleep strategy combines professional care with supportive lifestyle practices. Choose one drink that targets your main sleep concern and use it regularly alongside proper treatment. Keep your doctor informed about any dietary or supplement changes. Remember, quality sleep depends on medical care, regular exercise, a healthy, heart-friendly diet, smoke-free living, and a calming sleep environment.